How to turn on or turn off screen lock or unlock sound on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration. From here, tap on system sound. Then go down and tap on screen lock or unlock toggle button to switch on or turn off the screen lock or unlock sound. Here, when I turn it on, if I press on the side button to lock the screen, it will make a sound. Okay, so here I will turn on. So when I unlock, you can see it makes, you can hear it makes a sound. So here is the sound again. And when I unlock it, it will make that sound. Here we can switch it off so that when we press on the side button, now when I lock the screen or unlock the screen, it will not make any more sound. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.